Hey everybody, hey traders. Here's a video on how to make trading super easy. So here's my profile. Joined 10 years ago. I've been going on and off for about 10 years. And here's how to trade super easy. So basically signal comes out right here. You get alerted on your phone, hop on the computer, check it out, and then you use this indicator here, volume reversal indicator. And what you're looking at basically is you want to have a chunk like this, and you'll get used to this once you use this indicator, but you're looking for a green chunk like this, and you're waiting for it to come back up to turn to red. And then once it turns to red, you're looking for it to hit this orange line right there. That was a little backwards. Hit this orange line right here and close, and then you can enter the trade. Ideally, you want it to close nice and high like this, nice and strong, and then you can enter the trade. So it closes, so you'd enter right here on that doji candle. That's where you would enter, and that's it. So it's always nice to put your stop loss down like that, but because of this circumstance is like there's such a long span there, you do something like this, something like that maybe. And that's the strategy, guys. Super easy. That's it. So in part two, I will go over some more examples. Oh, and I wanted to show you the Forex Factory thread I got going too. If you wanted to see more information in PDF, it's there. Links in the description and links to the indicators too that are to make things super easy. All right, cheers everybody. Stay blessed. Peace.